A PayPal business account is required to accept PayPal payments on Shopify, including PayPal Express checkout, pay later options, and better buyer-seller protection. Step-by-step guide. Create or upgrade to PayPal business account. Go to paypal.com. Click sign up or log in if you have a personal account. Choose business account. Select continue. Enter your business email. Recommended. Use a dedicated email like payments.yourstore.com. Fill in business details. Business name, your Shopify store name or legal name. Business type, individual or sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, etc. Industry, chart category, for example, retail, e-commerce. Business address and phone number. Verify email and phone, complete setup. Verify and link bank account. In PayPal, wallet, link a bank, add your business bank account, or personal if sole proprietor. Verify with micro deposits, 1 to 3 days, or instant via Plaid. Add a debit credit card if needed for verification. Connect PayPal to Shopify admin, settings, payments. In alternative payments or additional payment methods section, click Add Payment Method, select PayPal, click Connect. Log into your PayPal business account. Authorize Shopify. Confirm settings. Enable PayPal Express checkout. Turn on Pay in 4. Pay later if available in your country. Save changes. Test the integration. Add a test product to cart. Proceed to checkout. Select PayPal. Log in. Complete a test payment. Use PayPal Sandbox if advanced testing needed. Funds appear in PayPal balance minus fees 2.9% plus 0.30 per transaction in US.